setting of the sun until the break of new dawn.
And this is the story that about 90 women and 3, they call them cohorts, 3 men have appeared before a magistrate court in Nigeria's commercial capital, Lagos, on charges of indecent dressing. The clamp down on indecently dressed girls was ordered by the new Lagos Chief of Police, Chief Muhammad Abubakar, who says skimpy dressing could cause public disorder. Yes, so that really is the crux of the story. You know, and since then I've been asking a lot of young women, and I've had the most bizarre stories of women being arrested in front, maybe they're coming out of a joint or a nightclub or a party, you know, and they just pack them into a bus, say they are not well dressed, you know, and they charge them. There was even the story of a young lady who refuses to come on TV and says to me she was arrested on top of an Okada, and the policeman said she was indecently dressed. She was wearing jeans and t-shirts. And he said she was indecently, and she said, but what, how? He said, in any case, where did she get the bag she's carrying? She said, I'm a trader, I sell clothes. He said, where did you get the money to be buying the clothes if you are not a prostitute? Help here. I mean, let me start with, I mean, Honorable Teju, what is going on? What is this?
Well, it's amazing, you know, because I believe that for you to actually, you know, break a law, do something illegal, there must be a law in place. And obviously, I don't know where the law of indecent exposure is. Indecent dressing is in Lagos State. And, you know, they're saying that this happened in Lagos, right? And that it was ordered by the new police chief. Even the police chief cannot order something that is not part of the law. The issues that, you know, some people actually brought to our notice is the issues that some of these prostitutes on the streets actually take charge of the weapons for the armed robbers. Right. So there are 2 different issues. Okay. One is indecent dressing, one is accessory or accomplice. Yeah. So there are 2 different issues. So what exactly does the Commissioner of Police want to achieve? Right. Is it to find out if these women hanging on the streets, because they say that the business is not so lucrative and they have to do other things to complement their job of prostitution. So is it that they're trying to clamp down on these women being the keepers of these illegal weapons? Or is it just for indecent dressing?
So why don't you arrest people for prostitution and accessory to crime? If you can prove
the law in Lagos State now, you cannot arrest the prostitute. There's no law that says that you can pick up the prostitute. The law says that the person that, you know, solicits is the person that will be arrested. Yes. Because I went through it as well. I've looked, last tenure, I was very concerned about the number of prostitutes we have on the streets. And I looked into the law because, you know, they're not picking them up really. But the law says that, you know, it's like if you have a brothel and you're in charge of the brothel, they can arrest you. If you are, you know, they can arrest you.
I like that one.
But nothing has said that if you're a prostitute, they should pick you up.